The Catch 130 HD is Pelican's first pedal drive kayak. It's similar to the Hobie pedal drive. It's got a fin system and a hand-controlled rudder for steering. The boat's 12'6", weighs 78 pounds, which is pretty light for a pedal drive. 34 inches wide, super stable. Nice chair with tool pockets, adjustable support straps. Overall, the boat's really stable and light. Lots of storage on it. It's got 4 flush mount rod holders. They're all behind the seat. A lot of storage behind the seat too. It got a dry hatch in the very back, and you got a space here. You could add another dry hatch if you wanted. It's got 4 Scotty tracks, which are compatible with all the Scotty mounts. The Railblazer mounts, Ram Attacks, they all fit in all the same tracks. It's got 4 of these low profile Scotty track mounts on it. They're great for mounting anything from rod holders to GoPro mounts to electronics. And they're compatible with Railblazer mounts, Scotty mounts, Ram mounts. And it's got some good tackle tray storage on the sides too, right beside the tracks.